Hey guys, Alden here with SlopePro. Just wanted to run you guys through a quick inspection that we've got to do today. Give you tips of things that you can look for at your own house that could be a flag for a necessary roof repair or replacement. Okay, so every roof inspection should start in the attic space. It's in a lot of cases one of the most overlooked portions of a roof inspection, but there are so many things that you can tell about a roof system from inside of the attic. So what we are immediately looking at is the roof deck itself. So on this roof deck, as you can see, the nail heads coming through this roof deck are starting to rust. You're getting a little bit of a blackness around each nail head, and that's telling me a couple of things. I'm looking at, one, the ventilation of this attic space, which is incredibly important for the overall roof system. In this house, you have vents, which are called gable end vents, that are in each end of the house. So essentially what happens is, as it's venting, the air is moving across through the top of the attic. But what that is also doing is creating dead air in the lower portion of the attic. So what you get in that process is air moving and then stagnant air. And then as that air coincides and interacts with itself, in some cases it can create an actual dew point or an ambient moisture content. And so a lot of times what you will see is the rust on the end of the nail heads. Additionally, that can be a pretty indicative sign of a worn out roof system where you're actually getting some moisture intrusion through the shingle itself.